శ్రీమన్ మహాభారతము 778th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్ మహాభారతము థర్డ్ పర్వం, వనపర్వం ఆర్ అరణ్య పర్వం, 30th chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja, Draupadi Devi talking to Dharmaraju, saying like this, O Raja, seeing you in this kind of troubles, my mind is getting restless. I am feeling so much of grief inside. Paramatma is the one who makes all these people do their own actions according to their previous karma. And Paramatma decides whether to give favorable or unfavorable results to them. As and how space is everywhere, Paramatma also is everywhere, and according to the previous karma, he is making all the living beings do their actions, sinful and meritful actions. Based on them, they will be going to either Swargam or Narakam. And human is never an independent. He is always dependent. O Dharmaja, all these living beings are under control of Paramatma. But whether human is doing right thing or wrong thing, Paramatma is always there within him, but human cannot realize that. This body is kshetram, a field. And Paramatma using this field, putting souls into this field and making this entire Srushti. As and how a small boy plays with toys, just like that, Paramatma is playing with Srushti. He brings people together. He divides people and makes them away from each other. I do not feel that Paramatma is any compassionate, just like parents. Because after seeing all the great people, enlightened people, scholars, most respectful people, and great characters, they always will be in troubles. Seeing that, I don't feel Paramatma is any compassionate. Whereas, Anaryan Sukhinaschaiva Vihvalamiva Chintaya, all the bad people will be living happily. O Pradhanandana Dharmaja, you are in trouble, whereas Duryodhana is enjoying pleasures. That is why I am accusing Paramatma, I am accusing fate. Like that, Draupadi Devi is saying to Dharmaraju. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. For Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. For Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. For Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.